How to create a letter on Microsoft Word. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a professional letter on Microsoft Word in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do guys is go to Microsoft Word. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the top right here and click on letters. On this option, click on it and it will take you to this page. Here you will find a lot of letters templates. Choose the one that you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. I like the design. Now click on create, and now on this page you can edit your first name, last name and everything. For example, Jacob, Mark, and the date and your message or letter right here. It's very easy to edit. As I said, you can change everything, the photo, the text, the contact information, and after you finish, click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.